Oh boy. I make you watch this Nasboi comedy guy. Nasboi is a badass comedian and a good singer as well. The guy did very funny. I mean, we'll make you see us in the Yaba Igbo brothers. Chai. But he's on point with this one though. Make you see him. Hey, this Declan Rice. Where happened? Arsenal beat Real Madrid. The man don't use me watch him.
Buy your market here. Buy your market here. One day. Come on, what's up now?
How much one bag of rice?
Bag of rice, if not yesterday, na 90,000. But today, now rice na 150,000.
Why now?
Not only you know, Sabi say Arsenal win Real Madrid yesterday. Who you think say score? Rice. Now waiting make price don't arise. If you no go buy market, you come up from here. Come buy your Declan rice here. It's good for basmati, it's good for fries.
Real Media Pinnacle Entertainment. Derima. More fire. Fuka.